Hi everyone, so today I'll be trying out this new shaped card kit that Dynapress has brought to TYSM. They do have two of the shaped card kits. This one is called for mom, and then I think they have one called like for dad. So today I'm going to try this guy out, and then we'll try out the other one. So this was sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Possibly with HSN and YouTube, it might be embedded in the video. Definitely at the very top of the description box. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm just looking at the color here and what's peeking out there. Very cute. And I'm sure there's some mix and match ability between the two sets, you know. Who knows what kinds of hobbies people have. One can go this way, the other way, you know, however. So this, again, is the for mom. I love the pearls. Oh, I love that it's the pearlescent ones, because whenever I use these, people always ask, like, oh, where'd you get those, or where can I get more of them? There's some here. Dynapress, I put out a binder of those before. They're really, really pretty. Okay, so what I'm looking at, 98 paper die cuts, 49 designs, 2 of each. 90 paper die cut embellishments, okay. Oh, it looks like we're going to make purses, and of course, like a tea or a coffee mug. Foam dots in the 2 different sizes, 192 of the smaller, you know, 1/4 inch ones, and then 48 of the 1/2 inch ones. You have 2 rub-on sheets with a popsicle stick to help you adhere those or to apply them. 72 self-adhesive pearls and 48 self-adhesive rhinestones. 24 shaped cards, 8 of each design, and then the envelopes. So they're showing you here the kind of thing you could do with the kit. Very, very cute. Oh my goodness, I love the purses. Look at the little bouquets and the mugs, of course. So, oh yeah, and then look at the heart ones. That is so cute. So these are your embellishments of this sort. Of course, these self-adhesive rhinestones and pearls. And then these are the shaped cards themselves. The card bases. These are really sweet, guys. Aw. So you have your mug. Oopsie. This way. And then your purses and these guys. And let me give you a measurement, because they probably have an A2 size envelope, but let me just give you a measurement on the card itself. Yeah, so it's 5.5, and then, you know, maybe less than, it's like 3.5 inches wide, maybe a little bit wider than that. And these guys, the widest point, are just about 5 inches by 4.25. And then your mug, it's a cute card. It's just about 4.25 by 4.25. Okay. And then you have your envelopes, which I love the shape of these. I'll show you what I mean. Obviously they're rectangular, but the flap, nice and long, and I like the way that it just has like that half fold there. Really cute. Those guys. And then of course your adhesive, again, the larger bits and then the smaller ones. And these are really nice sets if you want to make a, you know, quick card, but also kids helping out, they would have a lot of fun with this. And honestly, whenever I bought card kits, a lot of times Miranda needs a little something, or even Dorian wants to give a friend or something, you know, a card, and they'll sit there and I just give them the whole thing and they put it together. And I've shown you guys videos of that, little short videos. I don't really video the kids, but I did show their hands. And so these are really great. So again, we have the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch. And then we have these guys. Let me go ahead and take these out of the plastic. I know some people don't like to hear that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the rub-ons, and I'm just leaving that like that. Oh, look how cute. It's like latte art, but it's a heart. So you can kind of see that if you're using it with the other pieces. There are 2 sheets of these, so they're the same with the beautiful pinks and blues and like greens, some white accents. I love mom, sister, aunt, friend, grandma, and all these other same lettering or same wording, but a little smaller size and different font. And these are the guys we're opening up. So we have like tags, we have like topper bits that help you complete, you know, your project. Little handle, tassels, lipstick, which is super cute. On this one here, you have like little pockets and again, little bits that help you complete your project. Oh, look at the little locket. You are a classy lady, you're one classy lady, and you know, here you can put like, you know, friend or whatever, right, in that spot. So buckles. Another like little pocket here. There are a bunch of reasons why I love you, and of course for the flowers, for the purses, you know, however you want to mix and match. Bows and lots of sentiments. Oh, this is cool. So this one looks like it goes to the bouquet. You can see the examples there too. So you have that, all these different tags. the lockets. I think those are really cute. You know, ways to decorate your purses. Again, for the bouquets. Little topping for your drink there. It looks like whipped cream, sunglasses, handles. You know, you are the sunshine of my day. And different colorways. You are terrific. And then bows and different, hopefully you can see in the other ones had foiling. Different ways to complete your handles and stuff like that. All these little bows, flowers. And here are more of your bouquets. So let's see. This one, there's 2 sheets of these kind of more yellow bouquets. I'm gonna put them a little bit sideways just because they were packaged differently, but you know. Your mug, right? Your flowers. I personally think you are the best. So very punny there. 2 of those. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love this for the mugs and then also the bouquets. That light blue. And then probably for the purse here. Again, you have the pockets and all these other bits that you can work with. That's for your mug. Look at that. Just like the more of like craft paper look for your bouquets and different corners for your purses and things like that. Beautiful pink mug. Again, you can have like that whole topper, the very first ones we saw, put it right on there. More accents for the purses, some bouquet items in that one. So again, there are 2 of each. I'm just showing you the one, but you can see there's 2 of each. Pink bouquets and handles, you know, the decorated mug already there, and then more of the purses, mug, and then maybe cocoa bits, like it looks like marshmallows. And they've been on some of these other ones. There's like these little white marshmallow looking bits. And then we have the rub-ons that we just talked about. So let me think about which one I want to work with today, and I will be right back. Okay, I think we're going to make the purse. They're all really nice and quick and easy. I mean, the mug, honestly, if you top it with this, you can see the examples. You just add a couple of the other items and you're good to go. The bouquet can be as simple as putting that whole bouquet, you know how they were shaped, and then just a couple extra things, or adding some more flowers to kind of fill it in out here. I like the way the little stems are showing down here because some of them are full like that and some have like that cut off there. And then the purses, of course. So I'm going to do that one. I grabbed a few of the sheets already, so I want to do the pink purse. And whenever I have something like this and I'm pulling it out of these things where it's like a little kiss cut, I always push forward towards me. Because that way, if there's any reason for this to kind of pull away the way it did, see it's in the back, if I was pushing it away, it might tear this pretty part, because. So I always push these out towards me, just to give that little bit extra there and not tear your pretty paper. So we have that guy. Again, these are for some other portions. I think I want to do this darker pink handle. They're very, very gently kiss cut. I mean, they're really easy to remove. There's like a little zipper kind of thing here going, zipper detail. But I have that guy. Oh, you know, I was thinking about putting this little flap and maybe, yeah, it still goes. I was going to use this light pink flap here, but you can go dark pink, maybe put some pink corners there. Something about putting that there, and then this guy would be on there like that. Cute. I mean, there's all kinds of things. So I went that far, and then I was gonna grab this stuff for the rest of it as far as decorating this outside portion. A little tag, a little something. I mean, again, you can grab a pocket, put that cute sunglasses and things in there, or even just put the sunglasses off to the side. They can just be like next to the purse, right? If you had the little sunglasses just kind of off here. However you want to dress that up. So let me look for a sentiment and things like that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go with this darker pink pocket. Oh, one of my little pockets wants to go ahead and come on out. Let's get this going. Sorry. Again, pull it towards you so you're not tearing away there. Something can go in the pocket. Maybe I'll put the glasses in the pocket. And maybe, okay. Your kindness is always in style. Your friendship. This one's very pink. It's very matchy. So I'm going to go with probably this deeper blue. I like that blue and pink. It's very fresh. Again, bring this one out towards me. That one hasn't been cut super all the way through. So we have that. And I mean, you can still put things in the pocket, obviously. Or maybe a little bow. Let me look through these bits and see which of these things I would like to add. I'm thinking maybe a bow. But let me look through and I will be right back. I think I'll do it just like this, okay? So, I did pop up that bow. Oh, we have pearls too to play with and all that. So let me see. The first bits I'm going to go ahead and glue down, and then we'll use some of the dimensionals for these last few things. So let me get a little bit closer here. And take them back. Start with this guy. So there's a little bit of edge around it. Hopefully I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just splitting the difference to have that little edge there. And then this guy. And then I'm putting it right on the edge of the die cut, not the card. And then this one, maybe I'll pop that up. So I'm just gonna take a few of these guys and just start down here at the bottom. And just line it out a little bit, take the carriers off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put a few of those, took the carriers off, and I'll just kind of pop that right in there. That looks so cute already. Adorable. Again, I'm probably going to put one of these little bows like here, and I'm just going to glue that down. So I'm just going to put a little glue right in this area. Just right there. And then the pocket I'm going to glue down, but again, you can pop cute little things into the pocket. You can also make it dimensional if you want. I'm just going to stick it right down because I'll put dimensionals on this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so just put some dimensionals on the back of that guy and pop that right in here. Before I push it down, I'm just going to make sure it's centered nicely, maybe a little bit up there. Cute. And then if you want to add a little more pearls or however, so again, as simple or as decked out as you would like. That looks really nice and clean. I love the look of that. Since I have a little bow here, maybe we'll put some gold over here. And let's see. So they have two sizes, like a medium size. Well, I know with Die Press they have larger ones in this, but I would say this is the large and this is the medium or small, right, in this set. So maybe a little something. Oh. There, and then two smaller ones. It's the kind of thing I always do. Like I like to do threes, like that, to add a little more gold down there. And then your card opens up like this, and of course it goes into the envelope. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks so much, Die Press, for sending these items for review. I will follow up with the For Dad kit, and I'll have it with me. Sorry, guys. I heard something get louder and louder, and it was like a street sweep, maybe? We haven't had that come by in a while, so I don't know what's going on. But thanks for watching. I'll have the images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box for this, along with everything else that's now available there on HSN. And I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.